Are you tired of switching between multiple gadgets for music, calls, and translations? Meet the HTC NE20 Bluetooth, the 6.0 earphones, the all-in-one wireless earbuds that combine a translation, HD stereo sound, and an LCD touch display. Today, I'll show you why these earbuds are trending in 2025 and why they could be your next upgrade. First up, the design. The HTC NE20 features a sleek, modern build with an LCD touchscreen right on the case, giving you battery status, connectivity info, and easy controls at a glance. The earbuds are lightweight, comfortable, and sport-friendly, making them perfect for workouts, calls, or casual listening. Plus, the OWS, Open Wearable Stereo, design keeps your ears relaxed, even during long sessions. Now, let's talk about features, and this is where the NE20 truly shines. Bluetooth v6.0 for ultra-stable connectivity and low latency. AI Translator mode, yes, you heard that right. Speak into your earbuds, and they instantly translate over 40 languages. Perfect for travelers and professionals. HD stereo sound with deep bass and crisp highs for an immersive music experience. Smart LCD touch controls to manage calls, volume, music, and translation with a simple tap. Noise reduction technology so your calls are crystal clear, even in crowded places. Battery life, impressive. The HTC NE20 offers up to 8 hours of continuous playback on a single charge. And with the charging case, you get up to 32 hours of total usage. Whether you're jogging, traveling, or binge-watching shows, these earbuds won't quit on you. Now here's the best part despite its premium features. The HTC NE20 comes at an affordable price, making it a value-packed deal compared to big-name brands. If you want an eye-powered translation, HD sound, and an LCD display in one stylish package, the HTC NE20 is worth every penny. So, what do you think about the HTC NE20 Bluetooth earbuds? Are they the future of wireless earphones? If you're interested, I've dropped the best deal link in the description below. Don't miss out. Before you go, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming reviews on the hottest gadgets of 2025.